Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have some cool, amazing product right here in my hand. You guys can see it's by the brand right here, and then there's actually 4 different flavors that I have from this product today. It's basically kind of like a wheat thin in a way, but a little bit different. But these are all made in Italy and it had like different flavors. So the first one that we have right here is the rosemary and olive oil. Next one we have right here is the olive oil and sea salt. Next one we have right here is the Italian cheese blend. And the last and final one we have right here is a chia seed with sea salt. So let me actually open all of these up and show us what the inside looks like, and we'll do a quick test of the product to see what it tastes like and everything. So on top right you can see that this opening right here that makes it really easy for you guys to open it. It mentions right here how there's no preservative, artificial flavors or artificial coloring, so that's pretty cool. So that means you will get the real flavor from the actual product itself, that everything made fresh and whatnot. So let's open up and show us what it looks like. So when you guys open the inside, this is basically what it looks like. So it's nicely sealed, it's not too much, so it's perfect for people who just try to snack on something and not eat a whole meal of snacks and whatnot. Alright, so we have our first one open right here. Let's get the perfect piece right here, if you guys can see. Let's give it a try. Definitely really good. You definitely get the cheesy flavor. You also get the sea salt flavor, but it's not super strong sea salt flavor. So this flavor is actually pretty good, but let's try out everything else first. Next one, let's try the Italian cheese blend. This time I'll use a scissor to cut it, so that way it's more clean and it won't make a mess and whatnot. Alright, so the moment we open up this one, you guys can definitely smell the cheese flavor and everything that's comes out immediately. But we'll give it a try and see what it tastes like. You guys can see, this is what it looks like right here. Let's give it a try. This one's so good. You get so much cheese flavor from this. It's so amazing. Alright, next one, let's try out the olive oil and sea salt one right here. So when we open up the olive oil and sea salt one, this is what it looks like right here, if you guys can see. So here is what the olive oil sea salt one looks like, if you guys can see. Let's give it a try. This one tastes kind of plain. It doesn't get too much flavor like the cheese one that we just tried. But you guys definitely get the sea salt flavor because it is a little bit salty from this. So let me put this away and we'll try the last and final one, which should be the rosemary one. Alright, so we got the last and final one right here, which is rosemary and olive oil. Let's open this one up and see how it tastes. Alright, so this is what the rosemary olive oil looks like, if you guys can see. Definitely you guys can see the rosemary in here, but let's open up and see how it tastes. The moment I open this package right here, you guys can definitely smell the rosemary and everything. It's super strong. So this is what it looks like, if you guys can see, for the rosemary olive oil one. You guys can definitely see the rosemary and everything on here. But let's give it a try. The moment you guys put it into your mouth, there's an instant rosemary taste and everything filled in your mouth. But I still have to say that my favorite one is still the cheese flavor. That one actually had a lot of flavor. You guys get a lot of the cheese flavor and everything. If I had to rank which one's number 2, this rosemary one has to be number 2. And probably the third one I would say that it would have to be the chia seed with sea salt. And then the last one would definitely have to be the olive oil and sea salt. That one didn't really have much flavor to it, just a plain wheat thin, at least for me. I didn't really taste any of the olive oil or sea salt. So now that I tried every single one of the packages right here, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So honestly, I think these are actually worth it if you guys are interested in trying different snacks, especially if you're a different flavor type of wheat thin style crackers. But everything is handcrafted and made with real ingredients and everything, so there's no artificial flavors, no artificial coloring. Everything is made fresh, so that's why these products cost more, especially the cheese and the rosemary flavor. You guys definitely get that fresh ingredient taste to it. There's nothing fake about it, which is pretty awesome. So pretty much long story short, yes, these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of these products. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have